Good morning, dear students. Welcome to Social Studies class. In this class, we will learn about some great Indians. We are going to start chapter 17, and in this chapter, we will learn about some great personalities of India. We will learn about the contribution of some great Indians. Children, there are some people who inspire us because of their achievements and contributions to the society. They inspire us, they encourage us so that we are proud of them. Let us read about the achievements of some Indian personalities in medicine, literature, science, and other fields. So, first of all, we will learn about Sushruta. Have you ever heard about Sushruta? He was known as, in fact, he is known as father of Indian surgery. Sushruta was born in the 6th century BCE. He learned surgery and medicine in Varanasi and became a famous surgeon. He learned surgery and medicine in Varanasi, that is called Banaras also. And he was one of the first surgeons to have conducted successful surgeries. At that time, he was able to do successful surgeries to remove stones from kidney or gallbladder, locating and treating fractures, and operating eyes for removing cataract. Cataract is a disease related to eyes. What is the meaning of cataract? You can see in the picture, this is an eye with cataract, and this is a normal eye. So, the eye with cataract, it is a medical condition that affects the eyes and leads to a gradual loss of sight or makes the eyes blurred. Cataract happens usually with aged people. The people who are old, they suffer from cataract. So Sushruta was able to remove cataract by doing surgery in such an old time. So he was a great surgeon and he could remove stones from kidneys and he could remove stones from gallbladder also, and he could locate fractures. He could know where the fracture is in the body and he could treat the fractures also at that time when there were no x-rays. So he was an excellent teacher also. He wrote the famous Sushruta Samhita. It is a famous book, a Sanskrit text on major concepts of Ayurvedic medicine and surgery. Here is picture of Sushruta Samhita, and at that time the books were not written on paper because there was no paper. So Sushruta Samhita was written on palm leaves. So this is the picture of Sushruta Samhita and it was written on palm leaves. So Sushruta was father of Indian surgery. Next is Charaka. Charaka was the son of a sage. Maharishi Charak, he was son of a sage. Sage means a person who is very wise. So he was born in 300 BCE. So Charaka was born in 300 BCE and is considered to be one of the greatest contributors to the system of medicine developed in ancient India. Ancient India has great and rich history related to Ayurveda. You must have heard about Ayurveda, and it is the oldest way of medicine, and most effective, you can say. It has no side effects. Even today also, people practice Ayurveda worldwide. So he believed that it was more important to prevent diseases than finding a cure for them. Charaka believed that it was not important to cure, to treat the diseases. It was more important to prevent the diseases. मीन्स डिजीजेस को होने से रोकना, बीमारी को होने से रोकना, उसको प्रिवेंट करना. यू मस्ट हैव हर्ड द प्रोवर्ब, प्रिवेंशन इज बेटर देन क्योर. मीन्स प्रिवेंशन इज बेटर देन क्योर मीन्स इलाज से परहेज अच्छा. राइट, यू हैव हर्ड अबाउट इट. You must have heard about it at your home also. So he believed that one needed to study all the factors, including environment, which influenced a patient's disease before giving treatment. So Ayurveda also does the same thing. Even today, we practice the same thing. We must know the environment of the patient, means in what kind of environment the patient resides. So, Charaka was the first physician to present the concept of digestion. He was the first physician who presented the concept of digestion. He told people about digestion in detail. He studied the human body and its various organs. He wrote the Charak Samhita, a book about diseases and their treatment. His famous book is Charak Samhita, and in Charak Samhita, he has written about various diseases and their treatment also. So that was all about Sushruta and Charaka we have read today. See you in the next class.